Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll introduce you to Attendum and guide you through how to use it effectively. The attendance monitoring system works based on Attendum Bluetooth beacons installed in classes. Beacons transmit unique codes that are received by the app on your phone. This data is then sent to the cloud to register your attendance in regular intervals. To use the system, you need to keep Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled throughout the session. For some mobiles, location services also need to be enabled. To download the app, visit attendum.com and select the appropriate App Store link at the bottom of the page. Launch the app, select your institution, and log in using institutional login. Read the information carefully and follow the instructions. Some mobile phones require an extra step. Search for Attendum, disable battery optimization, and go back to the app. The homepage displays sessions for the next 7 days. You can hide the optional sessions by toggling the switch. The calendar page displays all sessions across different weeks. This page shows a summary of all courses. For further guidance, visit the FAQ page. Contact us if you have any questions or suggestions. Once you enter your class, be sure to tap the Register button. Registration opens 5 minutes before the session begins. To summarize, the most important points are: register once you enter the class. Keep Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on throughout the session. Enable location services if needed. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has helped you get started with Attendum. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out for support.